What you tell me, Andy, huh? Wah! What? What are you looking at? Wah! See the hiccups? See the hiccups? You do? What? What are you doing? What are you doing? What? What? Arr. You were just laughing up a storm, and now you're camera shy. Will you tell me? Will you tell me? Will you tell me? Will you tell me? What? See, we just went to a restaurant? And that was a good boy? Ah. What? Say, I'm growing up to be a big boy. Huh? You are. You're being so big. What? You didn't like going to the restaurant? Huh? See, I'd rather be at home playing. See, look at me kicking my legs. All I do is kick my legs all day. All he does is kicks and kicks and kicks and kicks and kicks. He's gonna be fast when he starts moving. Huh? You're just gonna be gone one day. You're just gonna be across the room. Alright. Say nighty night. It's time for me to go to bed. Say nighty night. It's time for my story.